$9. Perhaps it's the sheer versatility of the 1993 Sorrel Overo Stallion's offspring. They could shine as youngsters in futurities and continue as veteran show horses. Today we are graced with the presence of this legendary sire as he receives the coveted 2009 Breeders' Trust Leading Sire Award. Zippos Sensation, being presented here in the arena by farm manager Timoteo Tierra Freeman. Presenting the award to Andrea, Sarah, and Jan Simons is Scott Jackson, President-elect, and Stephen Imel, Director of APHA Breeders' Trust. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in congratulating Simon Show Horses and leading sire, Zippos Sensation.
Take it back.